The sky turned black at 4:30. I'm standing here outside your door. The water soaking through my clothes, but I don't care, and it clearly shows. You're looking at me with those tired eyes, telling me it's time for a last goodbye. The streetlights are blurring into the gray, and I've got one thing left that I need to say before you turn and walk away. Let me kiss you one more time in the raining, while the clouds are crying and the light is fading. Let the water wash away the things we said, the bitter words still ringing in my head. Just one more touch before we're through. I wanna feel the rain while I'm holding you. Your skin is cold, but your heart is colder. The weight of the world is on my shoulder. I see the taxi waiting at the end of the street, the sound of the engine, a steady beat. 1 minute left before you're gone, and I'm left here to face the dawn alone. Don't say a word, just let it fall. The rain is the only thing left for us all. 1 second of magic in a world of pain, just you and me. Lost in the rain. One more time in the rain.